I don't know what he's doing as good as. Oh. He's speeding. This Cardinal is speeding 3 different birds.
What do you need a copy of my old comment bill for? If you got all my information and everything, you don't need anything more.
I think he's feeding an adult female cardinal and 2 baby birds that are not cardinals. He's been at it for at least an hour, on and off. I wish female would come in position so you guys could see how pretty she is. But she isn't. She's in that little tree right there.
Fine. Just put it on there. You got all my information. You don't need anything more. Quality purpose or any purpose. I don't care. You just send it. Goodbye. I'm done. So long.
Look at how close.
Fuck you. Goddamn pain in the ass. He got all of the information, and now he's going back, right? Yeah, what now? Yes, you got my information. Just send it, or put it on my bill, or do whatever you have to do. Yeah, all that, you follow it. I'm not following it. Goodbye. Thank you. Don't fall again.
Okay, come on.
Tonight, when Laura's new fella forgets his manners.
The bird just popped himself out. I usually do that to get a woman's attention. Female's attention. Pop himself out.
So now he's not even going to give me the savings for 1 year. It's going to be for 3 years.
The family has been missing for 14 days. But now, a recovered surveillance video leads investigators to suspect a drug connection in their disappearance.
We felt that there was a possibility that Sherilyn and Bobby had been doing methamphetamines or other drugs by the behaviors on the video surveillance.
It can come in powder form. It can come in crystal form. They like to call it the redneck cocaine.
Some sort of drug connection could possibly help explain the bank balance with $32,000 found in the Jameson's truck.
In this area, you find that much money, automatically you start to think about drugs.
But the Jamesons' friends and family believe that connecting them to illicit drug use is both wrong and unfair.
I don't know anything about having drugs or any of that. People jump to conclusions. They don't know what's happening.
I feel like a lot of the things that could be helpful
There's
in
the
this case
female
are
too.
almost being used
She might be in the
to make
shot.
them seem like druggies or
You see
whatever,
her?
and they weren't.
She's not as pretty.
They weren't at all.
The other one
Everyone's
go down the
speculating
fence.
as to
Yep,
what were
that's
they
the
really doing
female.
up there. Well, they were looking at land.
That
Doesn't
is
mean
definitely
they were up to no
the
good.
female.
Family members can also explain
You see
the
him?
seemingly suspicious array of surveillance cameras on the house.
The male
Bobby's mother says
is
they had
feeding the
nothing to do with
female,
drugs.
and
Cameras were
the
installed
damn
for personal reasons,
kids.
involving her now deceased husband.
2 baby birds. He's feeding 2 baby birds that aren't cardinals, and he's feeding the female cardinal.
Several different times. He also threatened my son and Sherilyn. And I had the cameras installed.
She's so pretty.
I'm the one that did that. I also had a security system put on my house because I was afraid. And it's hard to live through life being afraid.
FBI agents conducted a thorough search of the Jamesons' house and property.
There were no traces of methamphetamine
Investigators are unable to make a clear connection between the Jamesons' disappearance and drugs.
Well, that'll be all, folks.